Hello lovelies, it's Ethany, and today we are at day 3 of 31 days of tarot for 2018. Today we are doing top 5 oracle decks of the year, and I have, just like my tarot decks, I have given myself the scope of they had to be released in 2017. I have a number of oracle decks that I haven't unboxed, which could have been in here, but these are the ones I've unboxed, I've worked with, and I really love. And with that, let's get down to it. So these are the ones that I've received that were released, I think, and received, or maybe there's only one that was released in 2016, 18. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, first one, The Sacred Power Reading Cards by Anna Stark and published by Rockpool Publishing. The unboxing is on my channel, so I'm not going to go through all of it. I think it's like the vibrant colors of this deck, holy shitballs, is so beautiful. I've got to say, I don't know who the artwork is by. They don't put it on here. But the artwork is like the reason why I have this deck for sure. Just like, oh, dude, that's so rad. Like Rockpool Publishing's decks, it's all of these beautiful, big, oversized cards. Makes me want to cuddle my son. And I just love it. I think it's just so vibrant and so pretty. I'm really into some vibrant colours. So that's the first pick. Okay, second pick is the Oracle of Echoes by the lovely Anna Turian, who is doing one of the decks I am gagging for. Actually, she's got 2 in the works. Oh, girl, you just love it. Now, I have not done a walkthrough this deck. I should. I got very, very flat out because I kind of got a bit excited and opened it and I didn't do an unboxing. It's really beautiful. So I got this deck this year. It's just so gorgeous. Now you get an ebook with this deck. Yeah, I haven't done a full walkthrough, so I might on my channel at some point. Really, really, really stunning indie deck. Okay, so number 3, the My Quality Time cards from Deja. My Quality Time Self-Care Activity deck. I do have an unboxing of this one. I just think these are so modern and so beautiful. Okay, my camera is just going to be a right royal pain in the ass. Really gorgeous. So I love that there's activities with each one of these. It's really proactive. Yeah, it's just a really sweet deck. Yeah, and I really like it. Oh, so that's that one. Number 2, the Life Design Cards by Lisa McLaughlin, and she's working on a tarot deck, the Textured Tarot. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Like all of Lisa's beautiful full decks, I have her other 2 as well. You get this one comes with a beautiful guidebook. I have the unboxing on my channel, so I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I love her work. I love her artwork so hard. And they have on the back, there's a number of different backs to go with like the theme of the cards, because there's different themes. And it's just unbelievably gorgeous. So pretty. So I love this deck. It's one of my favorites of the year for sure. Just stunning deck. And the last one, the Self-Love Oracle, another indie deck by Janet Chu. And her artwork is just divine. So beautiful silver gilding. You can get this on her website. I do have the unboxing of this deck on my site, so Gratitude. It's just breathtaking. All the artwork is just breathtaking. So I use Oracle decks a lot in my readings to close out a reading. I use them for Oracle Wednesday, which is a bit of a thing over in my social media. So I use them quite a lot. Use Oracle decks quite a lot, and I found that these were definitely the ones that I was drawn to use for clients, and I was drawn to use for myself. So that's my list for my top 5 Oracle decks for 2017. And I'll see you all tomorrow.